Assalamualaikum. Today we will discuss multiplication in algebra. Just like addition in algebra, in which we have four possibilities, in multiplication we also have four possibilities. Before discussing each possibility, I want to clear one point, is that when you multiply two similar variables in algebra, you simply add the power of these two variables. It means here each variable has power 1. Then you simply add the power of these two variables. Then you will get the answer x square, because 1 plus 1 give us 2. Now we are moving back to our condition. We are noted there when we have two terms with same sign. We note there in the first case and the last case we have both terms with plus sign. Then we must write the plus sign in the answer. Similarly, in the last case both term has negative sign. It means we must write there the plus sign. But in these two cases we have noted there when we have two terms with opposite sign, means here you have note that one term has negative sign and the second term has the plus sign, means two opposite sign. In the third case we also have the opposite sign, plus, minus. Then we must write the negative sign in the answer. Now how we get the answer? We get the answer simply by multiplying the coefficient of these two terms. 3 multiplied by 4, that give us 12, and x with x. Then we get the answer 12x square plus 12x square. Now in the second case when we multiply the variable 3 multiplied by 4, we get 12, and x with x we get the x square. Similarly in this case we multiply the variable and we multiply the coefficient as well as variable. 3 multiplied by 4 give us 12, and x multiplied by x give us x square. And in the fourth case when we multiply the coefficient we get 12, and variable we get the x square. These are the total four possibilities that occur in algebra. Now one thing more, when you have the two terms with different variables, as you know here in first term you have x as a variable, in the second term you have y as a variable. Then you multiply the variable like this and just write this. Here we cannot add the power of these two variables because both are different, and you will repeat the same process. The answer is same, except that here we multiply the variables and get the x square, but here when we multiply the variables we get xy. Okay, thank you.